Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the hardware. Inspect the computer's port, USB-A or USB-C, because adapter compatibility matters. Pick a USB to Ethernet adapter rated for at least 1000 Mbps if you need full gigabit speed. Once done, examine the Ethernet cable. Use Cat5e or Cat6 for reliable performance. Make sure the adapter's connector matches the port orientation before plugging in. If the adapter needs extra power, prepare a powered hub. Otherwise, plug the adapter directly into the port to minimize connection points. You plug the Ethernet cable into the adapter first, listening for that click so the latch secures. Then insert the adapter into the computer's USB port. Avoid third-party hubs during initial testing to reduce variables. Once connected, open your system's network settings. Verify link status and whether DHCP assigned an IP address. If you see no IP, switch to a known good cable or port. For manual setups, set a static IP in the same subnet as your router and test connectivity with a ping command. You finish by validating the connection. Run a speed test and check the adapter's link lights. Green steady light usually means a good physical link. If the adapter isn't recognized, install or update drivers from the manufacturer or let the OS fetch drivers automatically. Once done, ensure DNS resolves and browse a website to confirm full operation. Troubleshooting tip: if it fails, power cycle the adapter and router, swap cables, and try a different USB port. These steps resolve most hardware negotiation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.